Oh, so the classic cars are going, and I'm in this, what we think is an 86. This is another YouTuber here, and I'll put a link to his channel. And this is Netto driving it, because Netto looks after all the cars at NT Auto Service. And this beautiful Benz, left-hand drive, with aircon running nice and cold. It's got a 1JZ or 2JZ?
2J.
2JZ. Yes. Non-turbo, 2JZ non-turbo. But it's a classic. Look at that, all the modern stuff. Aircon, and it's nice and quiet. Sunroof. Look at the condition of this car. Beautiful. We'll get out, we'll have a look at it. So the classic cars continue, and check this out. This is a 1986 Mercedes-Benz that Netto has done a lot of work on and maintains this guy's cars. He's Japanese, and this has got a 2JZ Toyota motor in it, fully restored. Look at these big BBS rims. He's just had it washed. They're 17s, and it's left-hand drive. So the communication's a little bit difficult, guys, because Netto doesn't speak much English, and neither does the owner. Yeah, 215 45 17s. And what a cracker, AMG. Look, it's got all the mod cons. Reverse camera, the AC works, it's nice and cold. It's got all his gear in the back. Amps. Look at that. Battery. What a classic car. What do you think of this, guys? Do you like it? Look at the condition of it. Beautiful. Original steering wheel. Smells like a Mercedes should. Got the floor mats, electric windows. Oh, we got lights flashing. Look at that. So has it got LED? No. LED light?
Yes, LED.
LED lights. Right here. We'll get there. Look at that. Wow. All the mod cons, all the stuff to make it a modern car, and stuff you can like do all this to it and not spend a lot of money. Look at the engine bay. Look at that. Twin cam 24 valve VVTi Toyota. Got this big aluminium radiator. Strut brace. And we'll go for a drive. I've just been in it a little bit. You'll see that. And it's quiet. And drives good. All the suspension's been done up, it's lowered. So if you want a classic car in Thailand and you're in Pattaya, that's beautiful. The light's probably not doing it justice, or the camera. But man, that looks stunning. Just stunning. So it's got air suspension on it. I've just been told by the owner. So you have to start it up. Oh, look at that. You can lower it even more. Oh, man. Look at that. Wow. That is mad. And listen to it. It's quiet. You got your daytime running lights, LEDs. And that is just absolutely off the charts. I loved Thailand before, now I love it even more because this stuff's here. It's just wicked. And look, you can barely hear it. It's got a nice note to it, but it's quiet. I saw that. Amazing. So my apologies, it's Oscar. So, Oscar, how much money you spend on this car, you think?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Every day spend money.
Every day, man. Yeah.
Change that,
Yeah.
the new one. This higher new one.
Oh, new one today. So Oscar got a flat tyre this morning, this one, and what a classic. So guys, if you want to restore an old Mercedes and get some work done, or you maintain the one you've got, NT Auto Service, who was recommended by one of you superb viewers, it's now developed into an awesome relationship with Netto, and he's such a great guy, and we'll be featuring more of Oscar's cars. He's got a collection of classic cars, so more to come. Let's jump back in and go for another drive. So I was just talking to Oscar about where the paintwork was done in Narklua, and I'll get access to all these contacts so that if you guys want to do up a car or whatever, it can be done. And Netto does some work, you get some work done in Bangkok. Oscar knows everyone, so it's pretty wicked. But wow, it is fully sick. Man, love it. Love it. There's definitely a culture here in Thailand, guys, and we're in Pattaya, of all places, known for its bars and girls and that whole bar scene. But the people that live here, there's more to life. You're a car enthusiast, get into it. I'll be doing so much more of this stuff, and we're going to see Oscar's other 9 cars. So Netto's the mechanic, and Oscar, YouTuber, singer. He even does property videos, but it's all in Japan. But I'll drop a link, and we'll jump in the car. Look at that. That's awesome. Oh, let's get in. Wow. Yeah. So it's not quite a Chadmobile from CB Media with a Mega M3 powered E30, 400 and something horsepower, but this is just a good cruiser. And yeah, what do you think, guys? I like it. Look at that. So Apple CarPlay, look at that, fully operating sunroof, wicked. There's that. Someone's got a new haircut. And this C-Class here belongs to a subscriber who's now a friend, and I'm meeting him next week. But he asked me if I knew a Benz mechanic. And these guys are a Benz mechanic. They specialise in older Benzes. And you'll see a bit more on this car and its progress. In a future video. But based on what Jez has told me, the owner, an Aussie from Brisbane. This is a low-key one owner, even though it looks a bit neglected at the moment. But this guy here, this guy here is a Mercedes specialist. Look, an old Benz here. That looks so good.
Have air suspension.
Air suspension.
Yes.
Engine
Engine 1J.
for sale? For
no,
sale?
No.
No?
Leave.
Leave there. One JZ Toyota. Here's another one that's a work in progress. Oh, I love these wheels. Check that out. And what's this? Is this a Mazda Bongo? Or have I got it wrong and it's something else? Holy smoke. What engine has this got in it? I'll find out. It's a Mazda Bongo, man, or... Come on, guys, help me out. Looks like this might be the air filter and air intake. What is that? Coal? Mazda? What car is this?
Mitsubishi Colt.
Mitsubishi Colt.
Yes.
Wow.
Here.
Never see these.
New color.
New colour.
Yes, and engine. New.
What engine?
TS from Toyota.
Toyota. Wow, cool. Very cool. Oh, love it. Oh, there we go. There's the crazy Wow, Oscar Wow, with his beautiful green classic Mercedes. C-Class. Keep tuned for more.